Now let's take a look at another quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is not a parallelogram. It's a quadrilateral that looks different. It's called a kite. And what you have discussed in class, just to recall the definition, a kite is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of congruent adjacent sides. Let's take a look at the characteristics of a kite. Let's measure all the angle measurements. You know this kind of angle. You know the name of that. That's called our vertex angle. Vertex angle is the angle between the two congruent sides. This is also another vertex angle. Let's get all the angle measurements. Observe angle EKI, angle ETI, angle KET, and angle KIT. And if I drag them, observe now, what do you say about angles of a kite? What angles of a kite are congruent? Let's take a look at another property of a kite. We'll draw the diagonals. There's a diagonal. Diagonal KT connects the two vertex angles. If I drag any point, observe what happens to these two angles and these two angles. That's also a kite. Let's get also the angle measurement, so it's much better for you to make a conclusion. Angle EKT and angle IKT, and ETK and angle ITK. Now, after making that observation, what conclusion can we make? Write that down on your notebook. Okay, let's take a look at another diagonal. Diagonal EI. Diagonal EI is connecting two vertices that are non-vertex angles. Just by the word kite, you can see how it looks like. And you can see how the orange diagonals interact. And for you to see it better, angle KRE measures 90 degrees. So, with that in mind, what can you say about the two diagonals of a kite? Write down your conclusion and share it with your classmate in your next meeting.